Welcome to Tectonic price prediction. Now, the reason why we are talking about Tectonic is because in the past few weeks, Tectonic have really gained a lot of attention, and Crypto.com have listed Tectonic, Hotbit have listed Tectonic, VV Finance, Finance, and we are hoping that other crypto exchange will soon be listing Tectonic. Now, Tectonic is still trading with 6 zeros. That is to say, a lot of people can still make good money from Tectonic. Now, as of yesterday, Tectonic have gained over 10% increase in price, and today again, at the time of recording this video, Tectonic is gaining about 7.19%. Now, what is the worth of 1 billion Tectonic token? Can Tectonic token make you rich, or at least make you some couple of thousands of dollars? Now, with a $187, you can buy 1 billion Tectonic token at the time of recording this video. Now, if Tectonic loses just 1 zero, remember we said this token is currently trading with 6 zeros. Now, if this token goes ahead and loses just one single zero, that is to say your $187 investment will be worth about $1,800. Okay, $1,800. Now, if Tectonic goes ahead and loses 2 zeros, your money will be worth about $19,400. That is a lot of money. Now, we don't need to start preaching or start talking about Tectonic reaching 1 cent, $1, all this blah blah blah. The main thing we always talk about is you making some money early. Your money, $187, will be worth about $187,700. Now, let's take a look at Tectonic, because over 27,000 people have actually put Tectonic under their watch list. People are watching to know what the next movement on this token will be. Now, Tectonic, 1 billion coins of Tectonic can make you rich, or if not make you rich, can still make you a millionaire if this coin can turn up to be one of the most popular coins like Shiba Inu, or start losing almost 3 to 4 zeros. That will make you a lot of money. Once again, remember, this video is in the financial advice, so please kindly subscribe to our channel in order not to miss our next other cryptos update. Here we talk about cryptocurrency, we discover new coins that can make you rich, and we also give updates on other crypto coins.